If you're looking for roofing or scaffolding services in Wolverhampton or the surrounding areas, then look no further than Cliff Nicholls Roofing Contractor. From roof installations of new builds to scaffold erection for renovations, we offer it all. We have the expertise and knowledge to undertake roofing projects for both the domestic and commercial sector, providing roof installations of the highest standard. We provide a comprehensive roof tiling and slating service, offering a range of materials and colours to complement almost any architectural style. Our team of roofing experts are on hand to advise you on the most suitable material for your property. If you have loose tiles or your roof space is showing signs of damp, we can also advise you on re-roofing, from a complete re-roofing project or minor retiling work. Our team of experts are also on hand if you need flat roof repair or renovation. As well as roofing services, we also offer a residential and commercial scaffolding service. Whether you need a small tower for a DIY job or require industrial scaffolding, we are ready to help with whatever you need. Based in Wolverhampton, our team offers roofing, tiling and scaffolding services in Cannock, Burntwood, Walsall, Wednesbury and the surrounding areas. We'll complete all work on time and with minimal inconvenience. Cliff Nicholls Roofing Contractor. Give us a call or visit our website today.